Hello students, hope all of you are well and studying. Today we are going to see special transactions relating to goods. How to make journal entries when goods are transferred in the business or out of the business or a loss happens in the form of goods, not in form of cash. This is very important to remember these journal entries as concept of these will be applicable in final accounts. When in adjustment, different entries related to goods is given. Different adjustments are given related to goods. So you must carefully examine these entries. So let's see one by one. Drawing in goods. When proprietor draws directly goods from the business. Like suppose a company is making chairs. Now the proprietor needs some chairs at home. So what he will do? He will go to market and buy the chair from any other company? No. He will take out some chairs from the business. But as you know, the concept, separate entity concepts tell us that a proprietor is distinct from the business. So these also must be recorded, even if the proprietor is taking goods from his own business. So like we do in case of cash, drawing account debit to cash, as drawing is an expense to the business and cash is a real account and which is going out of the business, so we do cash. But when drawing is done in terms of purchase, drawings are taken in terms of goods, then purchases is credited because purchased goods will consist that raw material, and if the proprietor is drawing those goods, then purchases will decrease. So purchases is credited. Alternatively, stock may also be credited. But generally purchase, remember with only purchase so that it will be easier for you. Just subtract the amount from the purchases and drawing will be added with this amount. Now sometimes goods are distributed as charity for which no consideration is received. So at that time, charity becomes a nominal account and an expense or loss to the firm. So charity is debited, and again goods decrease from purchases. If we do not decrease the purchases, correct gross profit will not be found. So purchases is credited. So the purchase will decrease and profit will increase ultimately. If you are distributing goods for charity, that is not going into production process, so that is charged separately in the PL account. Again, goods distributed as free sample. Sometimes goods are distributed as free sample as a sales promotion technique with a view to increasing sales or advertisement. So at that time, it is supposed to be included in advertisement expenses. Here, advertisement expenses. And again, since goods are withdrawn, so purchases is credited. So in all these three entries, you have seen that purchases is credited every time. Once if drawing is made, then drawing is debited. If the goods are distributed as charity, then charity is debited. And if goods are distributed for any sales promotion purpose, then advertisement expenses are debited. Let's see what happens if goods are lost due to theft or fire. Sometimes goods are kept in godowns and somehow some goods anyway are destroyed, but sometimes abnormal loss happens and goods may be theft or destroyed by fire. So let's see what is the entry. So it is a loss to the firm. So as abnormal loss, it is debited. Loss by theft account debit, and if it happens due to fire, then loss by fire account debit. Again, since goods are destroyed, so purchases is credited again. Again, what happens? Most of the time, godowns or goods are insured. At that time, insurance company gives coverage. So loss will be less, but all the time insurance companies don't pay whole amount. So at that time, what will be done? Insurance company or insurance claim account, generally insurance claim, remember insurance claim only, insurance claim is debited, and loss by theft or loss by fire, whatever was the case, is credited. Again, you see that loss by theft is debited in the previous entry. Now suppose 5,000 goods were lost in theft. Now company gives suppose only 4,000. So here only 4,000 will be credited, whatever insurance claim we have received. Now what will be the loss? The debit balance of the loss by theft account will be 1,000. That means 1,000 will be loss. So in this way, in accountancy, all the losses are also recorded, and that will give the correct effect on the total account. Now there may be two cases. Accordingly, we can see the entries. Bank is debited and to insurance company is credited, or insurance claim is credited in case of full amount of claim is received. And if the full amount is not received, then what happens? There will be still some loss. So bank account will be debited and profit and loss account is debited for which claim not admitted. That means in the last example, as I told you, that 5,000 to 4,000, that means 4,000 is recovered but 1,000 is not recovered, so 1,000 will be our loss. So profit and loss account will be debited by the amount of loss only. So 1,000 will be debited, and in bank account 4,000 will be debited because 4,000 is received. To insurance company or insurance claim account may be credited. So these are the entries related to. I'm sending this PDF. Just go through this and remember these entries always, because it will be very useful in the final accounts. Thanks.